Make a great choice today with the 2025 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.